Hi everybody, Robert here with more Revit training, and today we're going to continue on with our in-place families creating uh, angle cornices coping. So here we've got some stairs, and we really need to have certain views open here. So I'm going to shoot to the site plan view, and we need to have these sections open so we can kind of see what's going on here. So if you want to look at that, place those sections. So in the meantime, I'm going to go back to this full 3D view. And here I want to open the east and west side section, this one. So in this view, we have a wall here. And one of the first things we want to do here, because this is going to be an in-place film, we want to go to our architectural tab and select here component and model in place. And then here you want to go down to where it says walls. And click OK. And now at this point, we want to call this, we want to name this family coping. Click OK. So now at this point, while we're in we can select our sweep here. And then we want to go into the sketch command here. And then we want to select pick a plane here, and it's already selected, and say OK. Now we want to pick this plane here, and then we want to draw this sketch. So move from here. No, that's not the first. We want to start from this point to here, to there, and here. Okay. Now at this point, we want to finish this by clicking the green check mark where I finish it. Now while we're still in the shader view, we want to go and edit the profile here. And we want to open the wall section view. So we want to open this one, and we click open view. Okay, so now in this view, we want to sketch our profile. So I'm going to just, let me see, this is going to be, let me just draw a little center line here, just a 9 inch. I'm going to draw a line here, just a guideline here. So we're going to go draw a line from here, and I want to make this both 9 inches from the center point. So I'm going to do an offset here, 9 inches. Okay. And I want to delete that out. I don't need him anymore. And then I want to just go and place these lines here. Draw these lines in, draw a line from there. Then at this point I need a 30-degree that's 30 at that point. And then I want to just mirror this over. Oh, I should have left mine. I think I still got it. I'm going to mirror. Okay, let's just do this. Sorry. Draw another line at 30. We'll just intersect them. Now this will be, okay, sorry. Let's draw this line here for a reference point. Oh gosh, sorry y'all. And I want to mirror this line here from this point. Oh, sorry. Making this video longer than it has to be. So here, I'm going to just fake this out here. Okay. I want to mirror this guy now. There we go. Sorry, delete this out. So this should be it. So when all we do now was just finish this, if we did it right. properly. Okay, so there's our, what's this? Okay, it's just a reference line or something. We want to finish this, and there we have our profile. Let's see what this looks like in our 3D view. Okay, so there you go. Fairly simple now. So let's do another one here using the model lines that we looked at before. So to do the model line here, this is pretty good. We can do materials here. We can select it here and go into properties. Come on, properties, and we can go add them. We can add a material here. Many things we could do with this. If it opens up, come on. I don't like long videos, folks. So I might just pass on the materials for now because it's acting really slow today. Let's go with concrete here if you got any. Let's just go masonry stone. And there we go. So now let's look at doing a slope profile. And this time we're going to open up the east-west section here. So I'm going to go back into my project browser. East-west section. This is finished. So what I want to do now is I'm going to use model lines, and we're going to create, let's just do a model line right through here. I found this file somewhere. So what we do here is we go in the east-west section and we zoom in here. So I want to go and I want to find a profile that I've been using that I found in one of my old books, BIM Management by, who is this by? Oh, it's Autodesk Publishers. It's just an Autodesk book. Accent, rather. So now let's go and draw this profile right here. So now what we'll do is go grab a model line here in Architecture tab. Oh, I'm sorry, I want to load the profile first. Well, it should be here anyway. So let's just go and load this guy in. So I'm going to insert. I want to load a family here, and I want to load this wall profile here. Open it up. It's there. Now I want to draw on the Architecture tab. I want to go model line. And we're going to pick a plane again and say OK. We'll pick this one. And let's just sketch a model line right along this path. Actually, let's do this. It's a lot simple. Let's offset. Let's do a offset. Let's do a model line here. I want to draw it along here. Just there. And I want to offset it. And I want to offset it, let's go 7 inches down. And then I want to select it here. And I don't want to make a copy of this. So there's our model line. So now, we just simply go ahead and, now we're going to go into our roof command here. And we're going to pick up fascia because we can do a fascia on an angle or a slope. And then we'll select this guy here. That's not the one I wanted, but I'm sorry here. So let's just select this guy here. Okay, not bad. So I can select this and go to my properties and edit type here. And in the type category, it should be, there's that one we made, wall profile. You can give it a material here. Let's make it aluminum, just for the heck of it. Apply, okay. And there we go, we're done. So let's go back into our full view. Probably should have did this fine. And in consistent colors, let's go back to the 3D view here. And there you go. So we have two different profiles here. We got this one and we've got this one. So we have the two different types. We got the model in place using the model lines, and then we had the sketch profile. So those how you would do these. And now everybody, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I've been off for a little while, but I'm back. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Everybody be safe and bye. Thank you. Bye. Please subscribe.